Hi everyone, I hope you are all fine. Welcome to our this new video. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. These are white bulbs. They are looking so beautiful in green fields. There are 5 bulbs in this field. Now I am zooming my mobile camera. You can see they are eating their food. These bulbs are very famous here. They look so beautiful. They are farmer farmer friendly birds. Farmers like these birds so much. I am trying to upload daily videos because you are commenting that our videos are so well. Good luck.